right, so the next town here on the Zephyr is the town of Minden, Nebraska. Interesting thing about it is that, you know, we've been passing all these towns with Swedish. Oh, you know what? I think this is kind of a famous place over here. Oh, it's the Pioneer Village. Ah, yes, I do remember now. My apologies for breaking that up, but I saw it, and yeah, I do remember now. This Pioneer Village is kind of a well-known place, and I think it's still open. We're not going to do it. I mean, it
is open 7 days a week, except for Thanksgiving and Christmas Day.
Yeah.
But truly amazing if you have the time.
It's over 20 acres?
Yeah.
Is it? I mean...
Yep, it's over 20 acres,
look at
25 different buildings, bunch of the old cars, old steam trains. You can see in the window here, you've got horses.
Well, they can't see.
Well, you can't see in the window, sorry. I can see in the window. Horse and buggies.
Yeah, I'd forgotten about this place, but yeah, it's well known. Yeah, they're supposed to have sod homes in there and all kinds of.
Here's
the old like
station,
water tank, you know, like for the railroad. And we'll turn around and go back the other way. But yeah, look at this; it just keeps going. I mean, there's just no way we have the time to stop and go through this. All right, we're gonna go back by the Pioneer Village, but what I started to say was Minden, well, we've been seeing Swedish settlements. Minden was settled by the German immigrants, and yeah, I really like the big water tank. That gives you a good idea of what they would have along the rail. The town is named after Minden, Germany. And it was founded in 1876 and has had a post office since 1876. Did I say it was about 3,100 people?
I'm not sure, but you've said it now.
I've said it now. Mason's Pop Stop, that's a cracker. There's a row of about 6 vending machines in the middle of a parking lot. And it's called Mason's Pop Stop.
That's funny.
Whoa. I might have to check out this
courthouse or
something. Holy moly. That just popped up. Which way should I go? I think I'll go... Well, it looks like it's one way, doesn't it? Essentially one way.
That opera house has 1891 on it.
I don't know. Does this deserve the camera? I think it does.
I think it does.
We're going to put the camera on the front and drive around. Okay, so we have the cameras going here in Minden, Nebraska. And I think what I'm going to do is kind of pull a... no, I'm not. I was going to pull a U-ey so we were further away from the buildings, but thinking about it, there's too many cars in the way. They are going around the square here. Not too much here on the right. Got the courthouse on the left. Diamonds and watches. Anderson jewelry.
Whippets.
Whippets?
Whippets. Like the dog.
Yeah. There's the post office. It's kind of interesting because when Carol said, oh, what a great view of the courthouse from here. When Carol said the opera house, I was looking down the street.
Oh.
And yeah, to this building here straight ahead.
Wow.
That is.
Not sure what that was. 1886.
Hey, is that what it says?
Yeah, above the...
1886. Isn't that crazy? But it's all like boarded up.
Windows.
mostly boarded up, looks like. Something down there too, that looked kind of interesting.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, this opera house is pretty amazing. Maybe I'll pull the UE and go back so that you guys can see the whole building a little bit better. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see pretty much the whole building, I think. 1891, 1886 on that one though. Kind of looks like an 1886 building, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm in love with this building here.
The colors are wonderful.
Yeah.
All the little delicate
Yeah.
work to it.
All the work up on top there. Saw something down this way too. This old building here.
Oh yeah, there on the left, like the marquee or something.
Yeah.
It's turned into apartments.
I like the building. He's got a stop sign. We don't. That's a cool building.
Look at this on the corner too.
Oh yeah.
Is it maybe a gas station?
There's been a gas station here. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna turn this way just so we can see it better. The windmill. Windmill Studios.
Yeah.
Interesting, because this isn't the windmill town.
You're not gonna let that stop them.
That is Lutheran. Actually, it's abandoned.
It's closed
Oh, interesting.
for now. It's got really nice stained glass around the sides there.
Yeah, on the other side.
That's something church. Oh, Evangelical Free Church.
Evangelical Church.
Oh, this got some historical. Oh, General Store and Post Office, 1876.
I think that's going to do it for us. I just gotta get the camera off and we'll be off to our next town. Okay, so our next town here is the town of Heartwell. And directions wanted me to go that way, which is nothing. Well, for the most part, there's going to be nothing. It's a town of 80 people. And it was in 1883 when the railroad came through that it was established. The interesting thing about it, and I don't even know if it exists anymore, is this it? Might be this building. It's got to be. Well, there's not much on the
On the right.
on the right side, but this building here on the left, I'm going to call it, because it was either this building or it's gone. I met a guy who had just bought it when I was in here, and he was carving carousel horses.
Oh my.
And he was doing full-size ones. He wanted to do a whole full-size one, but he found out that they weigh about 300 or 400 pounds a piece. So then he decided to start carving small ones. And he was going to make a carousel, miniature size, I guess, for kids, but all hand-carved wood, and then travel around the country, towing it around to different places. So it's almost like, yeah, look at this old place.
Ours across the street looks like it was an old church too.
I came down here because I saw this when I said towing around the carousel.
But it's a deer blind,
Yeah,
I guess.
I think it must be. People here checking us out.
Not by the cat. Well, good morning.
Come into a little
I
town.
know you're not going to drive by it, so we could say hello.
Ask them about it.
Good morning. What do you got going there? Oh,
What's that?
what kind of shop?
Refinished furniture.
Oh, refinished furniture. Okay, is this an old church too? Yeah, that's beautiful.
You know what happened about 15 years ago? I met a guy. He was doing carving wooden carousel horses. he still down there?
Is there an El Camino there right now?
No.
He's not gone. Yeah, he's still doing it.
Is he? Okay.
Yeah.
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 Super.
You want me to tell you to stop by?
Oh, he won't I took a picture of him in 2009.
Oh.
You don't have it.
I don't think I have it with
Okay.
me. But
He was shooting the railway for Amtrak at that time. So,
no, I wasn't.
no, earlier, and then he came back through the towns to meet some of the people. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, that was the Methodist Episcopal Church.
Yeah.
Ah,
1929.
yeah, wonderful. ME Church, yeah.
I don't think I brought his photograph. I should check.
Yeah, you should check. We could leave it off with those guys.
Yeah, I think you did. It was interesting, too. I don't think I said it. When I met the guy, he had this really cool cowboy hat on. I mean, a lot of character.
Oh, yeah.
And in the photo, you see this, like, straw black, perfect hat.
Oh, he puts on his good hat for his photo.
Yeah, when I said I was going to take his photo, he went and grabbed the good hat. But let me check and see if I have his photo. And then got a couple places here. We'll just look in if we can. Okay, so we're stopped here on the Heartwell Street just to kind of take a look at some of these old buildings. Yeah. Coin-operated billiards table there. Yeah, this building was not in this bad a shape. In fact, it seemed to me that there were more buildings here. We'll have to, I don't know if I took any from the front or not. It seems different here. So maybe this was part of the bar and grill here. Oh, okay. It's probably going to be noisy. It's pretty dark in there. You guys are seeing more than I am because, I mean, it is literally pitch black for me looking in. See any dead bodies? Huh. All right. And then Mother Nature taking over here. Kind of taking over up there too, isn't it? The post office is pretty funny, isn't it? So small. Now hiring. Wonder if they even have anyone to run it. Pretty small little building. Heartwell, Nebraska. Not a lot here. Well, we've decided to take the
Scenic route.
scenic route to our next little town. And corn. And I think still we might have soybeans over here on the left side. I assume the soybeans have to dry out as well before they pick them, unless they're going to be used when you eat them raw. Anyway.
Edamame.
Edamame. That's it. Whatever. Okay, so we're on to our next town, and I'm running out of juice in this camera already, and we're probably not halfway done. All right. Well, this is the town of Kenesaw, Nebraska. And it's about 900 people. It was 1872 it was established, and it's named after the Battle of Kenesaw. Now, one of the things that's kind of interesting to remember was that there was a lot of land offered. There were military tracts in this area, as well as the Homesteading Act, that offered veterans of various wars. The 1812 War, there's some that we'll run into later on, the Civil War. So maybe some of the veterans that moved here had fought in the Battle of Kenesaw. It's a nice little town. I like the bank. I always got to look at the bank building. Probably get a ticket for doing this. Great bank building there. Post office right next to it. Lady looking at me like I'm a nut. Which I am, but that's beside the point. Yeah, the museum was pretty funny, wasn't it? Yeah, 900 people. What's this? School or Premier Estates?
Might be a retirement community.
Yeah, it's kind of nice looking. But like many of these small towns, that's it. That's all, folks. Right, so we're coming into the town of Juniata. The sign says about 750 people. I'll believe it. Sorta,
The
maybe.
numbers were changeable.
So, what was it, 1870?
1871, platted, laid out, made the county seat by the railroad. Pretty much.
Made the county seat, but yeah, I was telling Carols, I don't remember much being here, and you would think there'd be a courthouse. But then again, 15 years ago, and I just may not remember. I wonder if I may, well, they had it on their sign, 755 people. Doesn't look like much is here. Michelle
Phoenix
Scrumptious.
Casting and Machine. Michelle's Scrumptious Bakery. They were.
Juanita
You
Road.
don't need a bakery.
Juniata. See, I said Juanita again. Yeah, this doesn't look like a county seat.
No, and I wonder if it was moved to Hastings and whatever that got, just got switched from
Yeah.
Juniata.
So it was, yeah, maybe it was named the county seat at the time, but obviously, no courthouse now, so. All right, well, I think our next town is the biggest town today, isn't it, Carol?
Oh yeah,
Hastings.
Hastings.
So we will see you in Hastings, Nebraska.